Good evening, class 1. Welcome to online class. Let's start with our today's session. Students, today we'll be doing literature, and in literature today we'll be reading a beautiful poem named Good Manners. So let's start. Okay, students, we'll be doing the poem from the book Tamarind Tree book semester 2, and the name of the poem is Good Manners. So let's start. Which polite words do we use during these times? Tell the class. हमें पता करना है कि इन पिक्चर्स को देख के हम कौन से polite words यूज करने चाहिए. So the first picture is of a boy sneezing. Boy छींक रहा है. तो first कौन सा वर्ड बनेगा, कौन सा पोलाइट वर्ड हमें बोलना चाहिए गुड मैनर वाला वर्ड? द वर्ड इज एक्सक्यूज मी. विल से the boy will say excuse me. Whenever we sneeze we should say excuse me, and the spellings are E X C U S E, excuse me. Let's move on to the second picture. Second picture is of a girl and a boy, and by mistake something wrong has happened from this girl. उससे कुछ टूट गया है, and that belongs to this boy. So what will she say to this boy? वो क्या बोलेगी इस boy को? She'll say sorry. What will she say? She'll say sorry. And the spellings are SORRY. Sorry. गलती हो गई. Sorry. Let's move on to the third picture. It's of a boy and a girl. The girl is giving some present to this boy. So what will this boy say in return? He'll say thank you, dhanyavad, thank you. And the spellings are THANK, thank you, 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 thank you, dhanyavad. Let's move on to the fourth picture. It's of three children, and they are eating something, and suddenly this middle girl, she burps. उसने डकार लिया. Burps means डकार, and I think this is not a good manner. So what will she say now? She should say sorry. She should say sorry. Okay, now let's move on to the next picture. It's of a teacher and a student. Student is saying good morning. You may write anything that you feel like or you may imagine in this picture. Let's move on to this last picture. The boy and girl are shaking hands, and they may be saying hello, how are you, hello, hi. One word can be hello, hi. Okay. Okay, now let's move ahead. And now read the poem. We will read the poem. We say thank you, we say please, and excuse me when we sneeze. Let's read again. We say thank you, we say please, and excuse me when we sneeze. That's the way we do what's right. We have manners, we are polite. We have manners, we are polite. Okay, so what does this poem tells us? It tells us that what should we do? We should use the magic words. And what are those magic words? Thank you, please, excuse me, and sorry. So let's read it. We say thank you, we say please, and excuse me when we sneeze. जब हम छींक मारते हैं तो we should say excuse me. And when we need anyone's help, we should say please. And when someone gives us something or says good for us, we should say thank you. That's the way we do what's right. We have manners. We are polite. यही तरीका है. इसी तरीके से हम करते हैं, and यही good manners दिखाते हैं और show करते हैं कि हम polite हैं. We are polite. Now let's move ahead and do its back exercise. Before that, let's read the magic words again. So students, let's repeat the magic words. The very first magic word is please. And when do we use it? हम उसे कब use करते हैं? It is used when we have to request something from someone. जब हमें किसी से किसी चीज की रिक्वेस्ट करनी हो तब हम ये मैजिक वर्ड प्लीज यूज करते हैं. Let's move on to the second magic word, sorry. It is used when we want to apologize for something we said or did. सॉरी हम तब बोलते हैं जब हमें किसी से अपोलोजाइज करना हो, किसी से माफी मांगनी हो. किस चीज के लिए? कि हमसे कुछ गलत बोल हो गया है या कुछ गलत हो गया, कुछ टूट गया है, कुछ खराब हो गया है किसी का, या किसी को गलत बात बोल हो गई है, तो वी शुड ऑलवेज एंड ऑलवेज से सॉरी. वैसे तो कोशिश करो कि कभी ऐसी नौबत आए ना में सॉरी, पर बाय मिस्टेक अगर हमसे कभी कोई गलती हो जाती है तो वी शुड ऑलवेज ऑलवेज यूज दिस मैजिक वर्ड सॉरी. Let's see the third magic word, thank you. Very important magic word, thank you. It is used when someone helps you. जब आपकी कोई मदद करता है आपको तब thank you बोलना चाहिए. Is good to you, says good and kind words to you or gives you something. आपका कोई मदद करता है, कोई आपके लिए अच्छी बात बोलता है, कोई आपके लिए kind है और कोई आपको कुछ देता है, gift या present, तो हमें तब क्या बोलना चाहिए? We should say thank you. And the last magic word is excuse me. It is used to ask permission to do something that might inconvenience somebody else. Excuse me हम तब बोलते हैं suppose हम लाइन में खड़े और हम रास्ते में खड़े हों या हमारे आगे कोई रास्ते में खड़ा हो, हमें क्रॉस करना में जाना है, तो we will say to that person excuse me. That means वो हमें रास्ता दे दे, तो उसको थोड़ी सी तो inconvenience होगी ना, उसको साइड पे होना पड़ेगा. So at that time we say the word excuse me. Or even when we sneeze, जब हम चीख मारते हैं, then also we say excuse me as we read in the poem. Okay, now let's do the back exercise. Okay students, now let's do the back exercise. Time to answer. Answer these questions. When do you say thank you? हम thank you कब बोलते हैं? And what's the answer for this? The answer for this is I say thank you when. Listen carefully. I say thank you when someone 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 helps me, helps 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 me, or or gives 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 me a gift, give me a gift, full stop. Number 2, when do you say please? हम please कब बोलते हैं? So the answer is I say please. We'll write I say, spellings are given in the question only. Say, S-A-Y, say please, P-L-E-A-S-E, please. When, W-H-E-N, when I want some help. When I want, W-A-N-T, want, some, S-O-M-E, some help, H-E-L-P, help, from someone, from, F-R-O-M, from someone, S-O-M-E, some, O-N-E, one. When do you say please? I say please when I want some help from someone. जब मुझे किसी से मदद चाहिए हो, then I say please. Let's move on to the third question. What do you say when you sneeze? When, we'll start from when, W capital आ जाएगा. When I sneeze, when I sneeze, comma, I say, S-A-Y, say, excuse me, excuse me, E-X-C-U-S-E, excuse me, M-E, me, full stop. Last question. People who have manners are dash. And the answer to it is polite. Polite. P-O-L-I-T-E. P-O-L-I-T-E. Polite. Okay. So now let's move on to the second part. Time to enjoy. Write a rhyming word for these words from the poem. We have to pick the rhyming words for these words from the poem. So let's read. The first word is please. Let me read the poem for you. We say thank you. We say please and excuse me when we sneeze. So the rhyming word is please, sneeze. And the spellings are S-N-E-E-Z-E. S-N-E-E-Z-E. Sneeze. Second word is right. Right. Let me read it for you there. That's the way we do what's right. We have manners. We are polite. So the right word and the rhyming word for right word is polite. Just now we have written the word. Again I'll repeat the spellings. P-O-L-I-T-E. Polite. Right? Polite. Please sneeze. And the last word is you. I'll read that for you. We say thank you. We say please and excuse me when we sneeze. You. Few. There's no rhyming word here. So the rhyming word for you comes. You is few. Few. F-E-W. The word is few. F-E-W. Okay. So with this we come to end of this poem. You have to do these question answers as well as the rhyming words plus the magic words that I have given in this video in your notebooks. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you students. Have a nice day.